Jason here from Ziegler BMW. So somebody has parked right next to my 7 Series. We're going to demo the coolest feature ever for a car, and we're going to show you how to get out of this sticky situation. Don't want to door ding myself or them. So this is remote parking in the new 7 Series. Car starts up. These tight spots that we parked ourselves in. Maybe your garage doesn't have room, or you just want to show off to your buddies. Here we go. Notice nobody's in the driver's seat, right, Andrew? Here we go. Got to be really close to the vehicle here to have it work. Now, if that's not cool, I don't know what is. I'm all set. I can get in my car without a car ding now. Shut her down, buddy.